Hey everyone, today we're going to be installing a Kohler elongated toilet seat. It's a pretty simple job to do once you've got the old toilet seat removed. These anchors here we're going to put them in place and then just attach the toilet seat. First thing we're going to want to do is just take the screw out of the anchor. Go ahead and just do that. Again, before we get started, what we're going to want to do, we just make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver. We've gone ahead, you're not going to need the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from the anchor here. But in order to install it, we're going to want to fold the anchor, and then we're going to just put it through the opening here. And then push it down in, and you should hear it kind of pop out. You just want to reach underneath, make sure the anchor has unfolded all the way, and then we'll just go ahead and do that with the other side. So again, I've done that. See, this one didn't unfold all the way, so I'm just gonna have to reach in under there and unfold it. So unfolded meaning sticking straight out there. So now that those are in there, we can go ahead and get the toilet seat installed. So the next thing we're going to want to do is make sure that if you flip the toilet seat over, you should see that there should be these little bumpers in there. If not, sometimes they come with some extra ones. I just want to go ahead and make sure that they're installed there, so as your toilet seat closes, it doesn't slam down on the porcelain. So just go ahead and make sure that those are installed, and if not, you're going to want to pop those in now. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the screws into the toilet seat cover. We're just going to lower this down into the anchors. And then using a Phillips, we're just going to screw them in there, make sure they're nice and snug. Ours is kind of not wanting to fold, so we're just going to get this installed and see if we can't get it to fold into where it needs to be. It seemed to work out nicely. I just went ahead and again used my Phillips to tighten it here, the top, and then just hold the anchor at the bottom. And that'll get it nice and snug. And then once it's snug, what you can do is just make sure it lines up with the front of the toilet where you want it, go a little bit further or whatever, if that's what you want to do. But if that's the case, you can either, it's got these lock positions here. It's in unlock right now. I think mine's going to be okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it's in the lock position. And then we're going to put the cap down there. And then we should be good to go. Nice and snug. It's not wiggling. So we can go ahead and just make sure that it's closing as it should. Looks like it's got a slow close there, so not going to be slamming down in the middle of the night, which is great. Hopefully this helps. Again, it's pretty quick and easy, especially if you've ever removed a toilet seat cover before. Just understanding that anchor's got to, got to bend that down, put it through the opening in the toilet, and then you're pretty straightforward to go from there. So if this is helpful, please let us know of any questions or concerns in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to Big Eye Repairs. Thanks and have a great day.